How to fix WhatsApp call problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call easily and fast. All what you have to do is very simple. First thing is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to wait a few seconds actually, and then all what you want to do here is scroll until you find the WhatsApp. Click on it. Now after you click on the WhatsApp, all what you have to do here is just go to the force stop, click on it, and then go to the storage and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on power usage details, enable the power consumption alert, go back again, click on this force stop, and now open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.